what are you going to make today?
Slime.
What is it?
Slime.
Slime. What do we need to make slime?
Glue. Glitter. Cup. Container. Container. Stick. Baking soda. Container solution.
Very nice. Are you ready, Max?
First, we go to the glue in the container.
Okay, now that we have the glue, what should we put into it? Glitter. What color is your glitter?
Blue.
Blue color? Okay, let's put the glitter. How many spoons do we need, Max?
2.
2 spoons, okay.
Put the container solution in the cup and stir. In the blue.
Okay guys, if you like that slime video from Max, please hit the like and subscribe button to see more. Bye!